Take a look at this cute and charming 2-bedroom 1-bath home located in Lilly Park. Home offers replacement windows, quality Trane central heating and air conditions unit and newer metal roof. Nice 8x28 half open and half covered deck. The 0.54 acre level lot offers plenty of room for gardening, pets and safe play. There's a 18x23 sided carport west/concrete floor and a 18x25 detached garage with concrete floor that provides plenty of room for storage. Living room has hardwood floors and oversized windows for plenty of natural light. Charming fireplace. Built-in shelving. Spacious dining room with plenty of windows. Kitchen provides abundance of counter space and storage. Large utility room. Bathroom. Bedroom 2. Master bedroom.